Hello, everyone. Styles by Leilani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And as you can see, I have my um, containers split up so I can split my batch into three, actually four containers because I'm doing four colors. I'm sorry I jumped right into this, but I was in motion, so I had to let y'all know what's going on. Thank you for clicking on this video. I am Leilani. My channel is based on me making all natural bath and body care for my small business, which is Styles by Leilani. You can go visit my website, StylesbyLailani.com, to see my all natural bath and body care that I make. So here is part 2 of how to make soap at home. So, like I was previously saying, I am splitting my batch into four containers because I have four different colors that I am going to use. So, I'm just basically cleaning everything up. And I was also making a reel as I was doing a video. So now you see this is Rise and Shine from Nurture Soap. I'm gonna finish using that. This was a sample that they had sent, so I used it previously. It is super cute. So I'm just gonna use all of that one. Then I have the Serenity. I hope I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying that right. Serenity from Nurture Soap. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. This was new, a new sample pack. So we finna test this one out, see how it is, how it turns out. So this one is the Fairy Tale Pink Mica from Crafter's Choice. And I'm just gonna use about a tablespoon or so of this mica. And I'm gonna just leave my white batch that's in the back. I'm gonna just leave that white, okay? My white will be the base of the soap. Um, You don't have to do a base. If you do one color, then you can stick blend as much as you please. But because I wanted to do four colors and I wanted to achieve a drop swirl, which I will show you in the next video, I wanted to achieve a drop swirl. So I wanted to make my trace, which is the consistency of my soap mixture. I wanted to make my trace kind of light so it's not as thick as people would start to pour in their mold. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So here I'm just blending up the colors, not really blending, just mixing it around. So when I do stick blend, I don't have chunks. I was basically going from lightest to darkest with my whisk, just whisking it around, making sure I break up any chunks or anything. Then I'm going to pour my fragrance oil, which is pink grapefruit and citrus. Might I say it smells amazing. Um, some people use don't use any scents. Some people strictly use EO, which is essential oils. Some people use fragrance oils. It's all up to you. It is your soap, it is your business. You do what is comfortable for you and what your customers like. Everywhere is different. Every soap maker is unique in their own way. So here I was actually blending up my fragrance oil with my additive, and now I'm just gonna pour it into my containers, and then I'm gonna stick blend one by one. I'm getting all the rest of it. I don't like to waste, like to be wasteful. It's not good to be wasteful. To me, that cuts your blessings off when you're wasteful and just throwing away stuff. And yeah, I don't, I don't want to throw away stuff. Okay, so I'm just sitting here mixing it. I'm sorry about that. I had a phone call. Yeah, I have grown to love sunflower seeds. Like I could sit here and oh, excuse me. I could sit here and eat a whole bag of sunflower seeds with no problem. So I'm just stirring up the fragrance oil that I have poured inside of my white. Actually, you saw me pour all of it, all of the fragrance oil inside of my containers. Now I'm scraping off any chunks that may have been left on a spoon, and I'm going to stir it again to get it all incorporated. We don't want any chunks of any kind in our soap, okay? Period. So now I'm about to stick blend this part so that we can get our base a little bit thicker so that our drop swirl can come out perfectly. In my next video, I will show you guys how to achieve the drop swirl. It's so many soap patterns that you can do, but me personally, I love, love, love the drop swirl, and I love the one pot swirl. So now I'm just blending it up to get a little bit thicker. As you can see, I'm trying to show you guys. You can see how it is thickening up, but it's not doing it as fast. It's super, super cold in my laboratory, so this is a good trace for me. So now I'm just getting all my excess off. And yeah, I hope everybody is having a fantastic holiday, month, holiday season, enjoying this holiday with yourself, with your kids, with your business, just enjoying it no matter what you're doing. It's not a law in the land, a book in the world that tells you what you should be doing on this holiday. But anyway, this is my 7.5 pound mold that I got from Nurture Soap. Yeah, I love, love, love this mold. Okay, in my next video, I will show you how I achieve my drop swirl. So here I will be pouring a little bit of my white, but yeah, we're going to stop the video here so that you guys can go over and catch me on part 3 so you can see how to achieve your drop swirl. Yep, soap makers make mistakes as well, but hey, that's the beauty in it, okay? Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post. And yeah, look out for part 3 of how I achieved my drop swirl and did my soap design at the top. So until next time, see ya. Thanks for watching. And make sure you shop StylesbyLailani.com, StylesbyLailani.com, and get your all natural bath and body care. Thank you. Bye.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be.